Good morning, everybody. Here we are again. This time I'm going to review this wine or sherry or oxidized wine. It's a very unusual thing to describe. In fact, this has been my house aperitif for about 30 years and is on the top of the list of every menu in the restaurants. And I was wanted to explain about this aperitif because we don't sell much because people don't know it. So let's start by saying it's called Vernaccia. Vernaccia di Oristano. Oristano is the Midwest of Sardinia. It's a very unique area for its microclimate. This microclimate helps to produce this oxidized wine, and I'll explain to you why. Because it's the wine this so-called sherry wine. It's a difference between sherry and this. Sherry is fortified with a bit of alcohol. This one doesn't have any alcohol. This is a wine that reaches 16, 17 degree volume. This one is 15, so it's quite light, milder than the others. But as you can see, it's got a very thick body, dark, and when you smell it, the nose of this wine, as soon as you smell it, it's got an incredible nose, incredible. And anybody who will smell this, you would see, it's an incredible nose. And you expect when you drink it to have something sweet because it smells like a dessert wine, but actually it's bone dry, completely dry, and it's very long on the palate. In fact, you sip it and it becomes more like a meditation wine. You can have it with nothing. You can have it with aperitif, you can have it with cheese, you can have it just in a balcony in the evening. You're just having a sip because you sip it slowly and you appreciate, because it's very long and it's very dry and it's fantastic, but it's an acquired taste. Not everybody likes it. So this Vernaccia is made only in this area of Sardinia because of the microclimate, and what happened is it's a wine that happened by mistake, because whoever started this Vernaccia, it's probably one of the oldest family in Oristano, happened by mistake. Why? Because they left this wine, because Vernaccia is the name of the vine anyway, but this type of Vernaccia, basically they left this wine in a wooden cask. They forgot about it, and when they went back to the wooden cask, which was open, they realized, they left it open, they realized that this wine is produced this floor on the top. So this floor actually stopped the process of oxidization. So basically, this wine gets oxidized up to a level, but it doesn't become vinegar. So the level of oxidization stops, and then it produces this like a sherry type of wine. Because oxidization is the way that wine becomes from normal to vinegar. And often enough, you drink red wine and it has that smell or nose of a bit sherry-like or a bit pungent. So this is a Vernaccia, is the aperitif. And by the way, it's on the menu for a glass, slightly bigger than this. A glass is £6.50, so it doesn't break the bank. And in the shop for the whole bottle is £19. Now we also use it to cook with meat, game, especially with game. When we do pheasant with Vernaccia, we do fillet with Vernaccia. It's a great wine to use for cooking, because when you reduce it, the concentration and the taste is quite powerful. It's very nice. And what else to say? It's unique. It's unique of Sardinia. All I would say is, please, when you come to the restaurant, try once or two times. I don't know, you might like it. It grows on you. It's an acquired taste. And yes, I hope this has made it very clear for a lot of people that I've explained properly what this aperitif is all about. And on that note, I would say thank you very much, and a cheers to everybody. And we hope to see you for the next review. Bye bye.